So this is called the U-shaped extensions or the V-shaped extensions. Basically, this is meant for the top area. So this is meant for somebody who is at the initial stage of hair loss, wherein in the parting area there's not excessive hair fall. There should be enough hair to cover the hair extensions inside. So let's get into application. What you need to do is you just need a clip, and wherever your parting is, you take a section, a rectangular section, then take that rectangular section and clip it up. Then take the extensions. You can get the top extensions customized according to the length, volume and texture. Center clip first, and then on the sides. Release the hair that you had clipped, divide it and release it and place it onto the extensions. Comb your natural hair to blend with the extensions. These are the extensions that you can fully do it yourself, so you don't need to go to a trained professional. It's an excellent option for people who are at the initial stage of hair loss and there is a bit of thinning and they are looking for volume on the sides and top. If you're looking for length, this may not be the perfect option. In such cases, it's better to add another extensions for length. In such cases, you will need one more extensions like a clip-on one to be added at the back if you need length. So like you can see, these are the double drawn Remy virgin hair. These are the highest quality of hair. So all the cuticles are in one direction. So this you can fully iron it, you can tong it, you can color them because it's virgin hair.